All right, guys, I want us to look at this visual vocabulary that we have. So we're looking at problems in our world. What are the effects of those problems? Why is it a problem? Like, what creates it? And then what can we do to fix it? So today we're looking at environment. But I want to draw your attention to the vocabulary that's in the gray, because this vocabulary is going to transcend our topic. So while we're talking about environment, we'll still be able to use these phrases, pienso que, creo que, en mi opinión. We'll still be able to say what it contributes to or how it impacts something or what it harms. Um, we will still be able to talk about what people do and don't do that create that problem. And then we'll still be able to resolve the problem and tell what our solution is. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to get out your warm up, and you're going to pick which of these problems do you want to focus on as far as environment goes. So you're going to start off, you're going to pick which of these phrases you want to use to express your opinion. I think probably we've used more creo que or en mi opinión, either way. So we're going to start there. You can pause this at any point to type what you need to type. Then it moves into expressing the problem. Un problema grave en el mundo hoy es. You pick your poison over here. Which one do you want to focus on? Period. Then we're going to talk about what are the effects. So whichever one you talked about, what does it contribute to? What is the problem with it? Why is it a problem? So choose this set of phrases, whichever one it contributes to, contribuye a, impacta, hace daño a, whichever one you want to focus on, and pick an effect or two that this choice you made earlier has. Then we're going to move, why is it a problem? Like what creates this problem? And so we've got some sentence starters here, and we've got to choose. Now, in English, this kind of phrasing doesn't exist, but this means people. Maybe we could say it can be the same as society. So society is a singular term, right? It's talking about a bunch of people, but it's just a group of the people, so it's singular. Or we can go with muchas personas. And I'm pointing that out to say this. Notice that muchas personas is plural. We're going to have to add the N to each of these words if we're using this, muchas personas. If we're going to go with la gente, that's singular, we're going to leave the N off. Okay? So, again, these in gray are going to be used no matter if we're talking about the environment or we're talking about health or we're talking about technology. So we've got malgastan, they waste, or tiran, they throw. Compran, usan, reduce, reusa, recicla, these words. And then here are some items that people do these things with. So I want you to follow up on your warm up in that blue box with a statement about a couple of things that people do to contribute to the effects and the problem that you've already stated. Then we will finish up with this. What can we do about it? Para resolver el problema, that's one topic, one sentence starter. Or una solución es, and then we give examples. We should or shouldn't, we need or don't need, we can or can't, and we have to or don't have to. And then you can fix your endings with these items. Now remember, this means to save. You can't just put ahorrar. You need to put something else to save water, to save cans, to recycle this, or to help whatever. So that is your task, and you will submit a screenshot of